Hey guys, this is Villaman here, and picture this. You get a notification saying iCloud storage is full, or maybe you're looking at your Google Drive bill and you're thinking this is getting expensive. I don't know about you, but I certainly have gotten those notifications before, and let's be real, with these public cloud services, you're just renting space. The moment you stop paying, your data is gone. So what if there was a better way, a way to have all the benefits of cloud, the access, the organization, the convenience, but with peace of mind that comes from owning your own hardware? You know, buying instead of renting, and that's where a NAS comes in. And this is the UGREEN NAS D84300 Plus. So what is a NAS? Now, if you're a beginner, the acronym NAS might sound intimidating. It stands for Network Attached Storage, but really think of it as your own personal home cloud. You buy the hard drives, you put them in the box, and you have total control of your data. All your data is stored locally on your own drives and won't be uploaded to the cloud or data mined so that they can sell you to the highest bidder. It's simple, secure, and as it turns out, much more cost effective compared to the high cost of cloud storage over time. This UGREEN NAS can handle up to 120 terabytes of storage. Now, I know that number is a little abstract, so let's put it into perspective. That's enough for 41 million pictures, or over 80,000 movies, or 2,000 4K movies, or any combination of media files that you want. The point is, you won't see that storage bill again, and the UGREEN NAS offers a wide compatibility for a list of third-party hard drives, so you can start with a couple hard drives and expand the system with more drives if you need more space. Pretty cool. And setting it up is ridiculously easy too. The NAS itself comes well packaged with the power and network cables, as well as some screws for either 3.5 or 2.5-inch hard drives. Once you remove the top of the housing, you'll have access to the hard drive bays, and UGREEN sent over four 4-terabyte drives to go with the NAS. Just screw them into the caddies and slide them in. It's that easy. After that, the only thing left to do is plug the network cable in to my router and power it on. The whole process is super clean and straightforward, even for a beginner. It even has an NFC chip that makes connecting and setting up a breeze. In fact, let's go over it now so you see how easy it is. You place your phone up to the NFC tag and it'll bring you to the App Store so you can get the UGREEN NAS app. The app is how you manage the drive, including setting it up with what kind of RAID you like. In my case, I chose RAID 0 to maximize my storage space, but there are other options if you're more concerned with data redundancy over speed. I'll tell you, the best part about having your own private home cloud is how it can change the way you use and share your data. Let's say you have a massive collection of movies. You can store them all on the UGREEN NAS and stream them to any device in your house. On my network, I can copy a file at a pretty fast 1.5 to 2.5 gigabits per minute. So now you save these videos to the NAS. I just navigate to the respective folders, drag and drop. Now I can access these files from anywhere. There's no more fighting over what to watch, because you can have one person watching a movie in the living room, another on a laptop in the bedroom, and a third watching on a tablet in the kitchen or on your phone, all at the same time. The NAS Sync client supports web, iOS, Android, and TVs. You can store and classify audio and video files in the Video Center and access them on your TV, laptop, or any device anywhere, anytime. You can access them over the network if you have a media player that can read external storage, or get this, you can use the NAS itself as a universal media player. It has a built-in HDMI, so you can connect it to your TV or projector and watch your movies that you have saved all in 4K. It even supports online subtitle playback, and you can search and download subtitles for the movies in your library. There's a whole ecosystem of apps that you can download, and the theater app is how you manage your saved movies. That's what I'm using now in my theater room. I hook the NAS up to my projector and using the built-in HDMI port, and immediately it shows you how to navigate using the UGREEN app on your phone. You use the theater app in the UGREEN app to navigate to the video you want to watch, hit the share button and select HDMI, then sit back and enjoy. You use the app on your phone to control playback like skipping or pausing. You can even set it up so that it can be accessible outside of your home, so your movie library or files could be available remotely from one central place. Besides using it for media or even security, the NAS has a built-in AI smart recognition and classification function. This means you can classify albums effortlessly and search photos by simply entering keywords like pets, fruits, or vehicles, for example. It intelligently identifies and classifies albums of people, places, animals, and more. And that's a built-in feature, not something you have to pay for or give up all your personal data to get. If you compare the cost of a public cloud storage service like iCloud, then that costs over $60 a month or over $700 a year for 12 terabytes of storage. Storage that you lose as soon as you stop paying. So you'll have to find somewhere to put all your files, which may not be an easy thing to do. Compare that to the price of the NAS, which is less than half the cost of a year's subscription. Minus the hard drives, of course, but then you can see it's a great deal in the long run. So at the end of the day, the UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus is about freedom. It's about taking back control of your data from these big companies, saving money in the long run, and having a powerful, reliable private cloud that works exactly the way you want it to. And the UGREEN NAS has a built-in security manager which supports real-time virus scanning and flexible permission management to guard your data safely. If you are ready to get started with your own personal data storage solution or learn more about it, then you can find a link in the description below that will help you learn more, and a code for 20% off as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and if you would use a NAS in your home. Thanks to UGREEN for sponsoring this video, and thanks to you for watching. Until next time, this has been your friendly neighborhood villain man saying be safe and peace.